day to you, my friends. Nick Rehmani here with freedomlifebusiness.com, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we dive into segment 3, where we're on a mission to demystify the complexities of business growth. So, today's focus is a vital one. The heart of the challenge: overcoming the hurdles in lead generation with effective, actionable strategies. If you have ever found yourself at a standstill, wondering how to navigate through the maze of generating quality leads, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the strategies that can turn obstacles into opportunities. Strategy 1, target audience precision. Our first strategy is honing in on your target audience with laser precision. Imagine the world as a vast ocean and your ideal customers as specific schools of fish within it. So, to catch these fish, you need to know not just which part of the ocean they reside in, but also their habits, their preferences, and what bait they're most attracted to. So, utilizing tools like customer personas and market segmentations, you can tailor your messaging to speak directly to their needs, increasing the likelihood of engagement and conversion. Strategy 2, content that connects. Next, we turn to content, but not just any content. Content that connects, educates, and engages. See, in a world cluttered with information, your content must stand out by providing real value. This means understanding the pain points of your audience and addressing them through insightful blogs, engaging videos, and interactive social media posts. See, quality content acts as a magnet, drawing leads closer with each piece that they consume. Strategy 3, mastery of social media platforms. Social media is the town square of our digital age, a place where conversations happen and opinions are formed. But mastery here requires more than just presence. It demands engagement. By choosing the right platform for your business and actively participating in a conversation, you can build relationships with potential leads. It's about creating a community around your brand, one post, tweet, or share at a time. Strategy 4, SEO, your beacon in the digital wilderness. In the vastness of the internet, being visible is paramount. Search engine optimization, otherwise known as SEO, is your beacon guiding potential leads to your website. See, by optimizing your content with the right keywords, ensuring your site is user-friendly, and building quality backlinks, you can climb the search engine rankings. Visibility in search results means more traffic, and more traffic means more leads. Strategy 5, leveraging analytics for insightful decisions. Finally, the power of analytics cannot be overstated. In the journey of lead generation, data is your compass. By regularly analyzing your marketing effort performance, you can understand what works and what doesn't, allowing you to make informed decisions and refine your strategies for better results. The maze of lead generation is daunting but not impenetrable. With the right strategies, targeted audience identification, engaging content, social media mastery, SEO optimization, and data-driven decision-making, you can navigate through it successfully. Each strategy is a step towards not just generating leads, but nurturing potential long-term relationships with your customers. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into effective lead generation strategies. Armed with these tactics, you're better equipped to turn the challenges of lead generation into opportunities for growth. If you found these insights valuable, give us a like, share this video with your network, and don't forget to share for more actionable business strategies. Together, let's transform your lead generation journey from a challenge into a success story. Stay ahead in the game of business growth. Subscribe and go to freedomlifebusiness.com for more strategies, tips, and insights designed to help you thrive. Your next breakthrough is just a video or a click away. Make it a wonderful day, and remember to always go for your dreams no matter what they are. Bye for now.